Here we are, guys, with another update in nerikomc and a new video tutorial on how the new claiming works, especially for those who just don't want Towny or maybe just want a separate place for their own. Okay. Now, let's get started. What you're gonna need first is a diamond, like I'm not sure. Just bring 6 diamonds and then 6 iron, but I'm gonna teach you how. So before we were using golden shovel claiming. Well, unfortunately, we're going to remove that because it doesn't have that much of mechanics in it. And some of the players don't know how to use it, or maybe they are having a hard time to use it, even though. Anyway, let's get started. First, what you're gonna need to do is stand or tumayo ka on a place where you want your claim, or you want to reside in, or you want to claim. The first things you're gonna do, why this one is messed up, is type /c claim. That's /c claim. You will see some emerald, meaning it will that is the claim that was used. So if we're gonna choose the chunk view, you'll see that area as claimed. Other than chunk view, you can just /c show. And those particles you're seeing, that will be the one that you claim it. Now, it's not yet protected, okay? What you're gonna need to do is to place in a, uh, there's a lot of grass in here, bro. Okay, yep, that's good. Okay, all right. So, you're gonna place a chest in here, okay? Now you're gonna open it. Then what you're gonna need here is you place an iron here. Um, I hope that was right. If I'm not, then oh yeah, sorry, it's just suddenly created. So if in any case you don't know, you will see the recipe when you type /c recipe, and then this is the recipe or the amount or the recipe of the power cell, and you need to put it in the center of your chest for it to be able to work. Now, with this one, this you will be able to deposit money if you want to use money as your fuel, and then it will add days. As you can see here, the total power is 1 day and 21 hours and 30 minutes. That meaning is uh, it will protect this area for that span of days. So for you to gain more days, you just need to put one. Don't do like shift left clicks, not gonna work. Place them manually. And then you're gonna click and you will see here it became 186 days. So this will be protected. But don't be so wag ka pa kampante because we're gonna extend this claim because of course we're not gonna be satisfied just claiming that area, that small area. So we're gonna type here C claim. Gonna type another C claim here, C claim here, C claim here, C claim here. So we're extending the claims as much as we can. How big is how big you want your claim to be. Okay. And as you can see here, green thing is showing what claims they have. You'll be able to see like redstone dust in red. If in any case, there's another claim uh, uh, on that area you're currently in. So, since we extended the claim, it also consumed more or needs more ore, so it goes down to 20 days. So, you make sure you always check how much days you have in here so that you can avoid getting your claims to be dissolved or get not to get, unprotected. So since that will be our claim, so basically it's completely protected now. So if you want your friend to join your claim, you can just simply see invite then their name, and they just have to accept it on their end. Now, there are settings in here, which you can see here. You can ban players. So what happened there is, what's going to happen there is that, if you see ban a player, let's say we're gonna ban Eden9, they won't be able to get into your claim. So they'll be just gonna be able to stay here, and they won't be able to get in here, and they won't be able to do slash back on anything else because they just can't get in there. Okay. Now, this is also an anti-raid, if in any case, if especially if you're just, a solo player and you just want that. And as you can see here on the boss bar, it's the name. You can do C name and then rename your place. Then when they go in, your name will show up on their screen, or the name of your plat will show on the screen. Okay, why am I seeing messages? My social spy is off. Now, right click on it or open the chest. You will see here settings. When you get into settings, you can select if you want to turn off your mobs. But actually, yeah, for now, maybe while you're watching this, if it's already like 2 months ago, more than this might change. But here, you can change the settings. False. If you don't want your fire spread, you don't want mob spawning, you don't want PvP in your area, you don't want mob griffing, live out decay, TNT, and the fly actually doesn't work. Actually, I turned it off because only donors will have the access to fly. And in this one, you can set up your visitor settings. If in any case you have a visitor, you can set change if you want them to have them be able to break the block or place a block or anything else as you can see in here. So you can turn that one off. And for the resident as well, you can change it if you once you invite someone. Most of them are already in through, because basically once you add them, they'll be able to build and do things on your plat. And this is the information of your claim. As you can see, I have claimed 9 chunks, and I only have one member. And you can see here as well the list of the members. As you can see, it's only me in here. And then you go back. Yeah, there's the stats in here, maximum of 10,000. Sorting. Yeah. So you can navigate on this and figure it out and understand it. It's very self-explanatory, but that is just how you make a claim. So what are the ores that this one accepted? Actually, almost every ores in the Minecraft. So netherite, um, gold blocks, but I would prefer like using a block of ores because this will consume much better, or like it will give you much more fuel than the normal one if you're just gonna put ores because it's gonna eat spaces. So you can see here 21 days when we open it. Here 67 days. Unfortunately, I haven't added my emerald block yet, but yeah. 67 days. So your the consumption of your fuel will depend on how big is your claim is. So I think that's pretty much it in here, guys. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope you join our nerikomc as well if you haven't joined. And enjoy. Happy playing.